Here's a look at how we're faring in the fight against coronavirus, getting you the latest numbers from the Health Ministry. Across the country now, the number of active cases stands at 4,53,401. Our recovery rate is still very, very good. 82,90,370 recoveries so far in the country. The death toll in India at 1,30,519. Let's break down the three worst affected states. Maharashtra tops that list with over 85,000 active cases. It's also posted 16,18,380 recoveries so far. The death toll in Maharashtra at 46,034. Kerala is the second worst affected with the second most number of active cases in the country. 71,046 active cases. Recoveries in Kerala at 4,54,774. The death toll in Kerala very, very low at this point, and that's good news. It stays at 1,888. Delhi, the third worst affected state in the country. Active cases at 40,128, recoveries at 4,41,361, the death toll over 7,700. So those are the latest figures from the Health Ministry. Interestingly, in a bid to contain the virus spread in Delhi's neighborhood, people coming from the capital to the suburbs of Noida will be randomly tested for COVID-19 from today. This random sampling will be done by a rapid antigen-based test. According to this order, only some who are randomly selected commuters will be tested, and this includes all delivery boys, rickshaw drivers. They'll all fall under the ambit of testing. Noida District Magistrate has assured, however, that there will be no restriction on the free movement of people between Noida and Delhi. The order comes in the wake of rising COVID cases in the capital. Authorities believe that it's led to also a surge of cases in Noida in Uttar Pradesh. There are 1,236 active cases in Noida. Delhi, meanwhile, has been witnessing a huge surge in coronavirus infections this month. Over 40,000 active cases in Delhi.
हमें जो माइक्रो कंटेनमेंट की जो स्ट्रेटजीज अपनानी होगी, जिसमें जहां संक्रमण ज़्यादा है उन एरिया से, उन क्षेत्रों से यदि आवागमन हो रही है, उसको रैंडम सैम्पलिंग के माध्यम से और एक माइक्रो कंटेनमेंट के माध्यम से एक काबू पाने का प्रयास किया जाएगा। आने वाले दिनों में जो विगत दिनों में देखने को मिली है और क्रॉस बॉर्डर के भी जो संक्रमण हो रही है, उसको काबू करने के लिए जो रिट्यून करनी होगी स्ट्रेटजी को, वो किया जाएगा।
Let me take this across to Tanushree Pandey, who's joining us live from Delhi this morning. Tanushree, good morning. I'm sure people have a lot of questions about how really this random testing is going to work. So just explain to us what the order is from the Noida authorities. How does this really work? Are people going to have to volunteer, or will they be chosen, randomly? Will their permission be sought? How is it going to work?
Well, Akshita, in view of the rising coronavirus cases both in the national capital and in Gautam Buddha Nagar, the district administration and the authorities have taken a decision to take out random sampling at the border areas. Now, we are at the DND highway right now. It's the highway basically the road which connects the national capital to UP. It's the border area. This connects to Noida. Now, people coming from Delhi and entering Noida, entering UP will be randomly tested here. The things are yet to start on the ground, but what we are given to understand is that a very quick antigen test will be carried out, and it will be carried out randomly here at the border areas at Chilla, which is another border area for Delhi and Uttar Pradesh, and this is DND, which is another border area from people coming from Delhi to UP. Now, according to the district authorities, Akshita, they have told us that the cases of coronavirus are rising in Gautam Buddha Nagar due to the cross-border infection. That is why the testing process has to be retuned. There is going to be absolutely no restrictions on the movement of people, but people who will be entering UP from Noida, they will be randomly tested sitting in their car. They just have to get down from the car for 5 minutes. It will be an antigen quick test which will be carried out. Now, the thing, Akshita, which we have to worry about is about the traffic movement, because the testing is going to take at least 15 to 20 minutes for sure. Now, how is that going to pan on the ground? Is there going to be a traffic snarl which people have to face? That we will only be able to tell once the testing process starts. Because right now you can see the process has not started on the ground. But what administration and the authorities have been telling us is that across border, cross-border, basically due to the cross-border movement, there has been a rise in the coronavirus
So,
cases.
Tanushree, just
in Gautam
confirm
Budh
that
Nagar.
for
So
us.
that's
It
why
starts today.
people
The
coming
testing
from
starts
Delhi
today.
have to be tested. Absolutely, Akshita. The random sampling will start from today, all
Okay.
at the two border areas, which is at DND and at the Chilla border. So people coming from Delhi will be randomly tested, and it's going to be a quick antigen test, which people have to randomly take at the border
Okay.
areas by the administration. Akshita.
Okay. Tanushree, I appreciate you joining us with that ground report and giving us some clarity on exactly what Noida authorities have said. Random testing is going to be a rapid antigen testing. Authorities saying that they won't inconvenience commuters in any way, no restrictions on people traveling. We'll have to see really how they manage to implement this on the ground.